Hey everybody, welcome back to the Devlog. This is Project Dragon. Let's get right into it, see what parts that we've added since last time. The biggest focus obviously was going to be revision control. Got that up and running. Obviously not something that I can really demonstrate here. Um, but if anyone, if y'all know anything about programming, you know that revision control is very important. If you don't like redoing your entire project from scratch because you made a mistake and could not figure out where you made the mistake, not a very fun process. But second thing, the original plan that we had was to get it so that I could pick up items, like all of these. Used to be I just pressed a key and it destroyed them, but now you actually are collecting these items, and of course you have the indicator above them. Now if I press the inventory key, you can see in this top left that there's 2 wood and 2 stone because I picked up 2 bushes and 2 rocks. But if I go pick up another stone, I'm sorry, that was a bush. Now I have 3 wood and 2 stone. Pick up another rock, 4 wood, 2 stone. Oh, that was, why do I keep saying rock? Rock, rock, rock. Okay, there we are. Oh God, I forgot about that. Yeah, I have enemies in this game uh, that I have not been using currently. So, um, yeah. Anyway, you die. There we are. But yeah, I is the inventory key. F is the collect key. Um, and then, of course, we can also pick up these trees, even though that's not going to be the way that I implement it in the future. But those give a lot of wood, 5 wood each. Um, but yeah, so right now our little guy can, he's coming together. He's coming together. With this whole thing, you just got to build it one step at a time. Um, you know, like today we had to create some classes, like an entirely new like inventory system from scratch and figure out how to store it. Um, Definitely going to be doing some changes and updating it on the back end, but it's kind of hard to show those things. But if y'all want me to go more into like the blueprints and the way that I organize them, let me know. If I feel like talking about it, I'll just talk about it. But it'll definitely, if that's something that you'll want to see, just let me know, and I can definitely add more of that. But for now, I guess just talk about tomorrow's plans, and that's to get the inventory tab to show, to appear. I'm gonna need to have some way of like accessing it without developer messages, which is what those are called. Those little messages that pop up in the left. It's gonna have to be their own tab. So um, I'll get that built. I don't actually like working on UI stuff. I think UI is super important and super like necessary for game and good game design, but it just does not interest me. Though I have a feeling it's more so has to do that I don't like the way that Unreal Engine does their tools for it's like or it's like their widget tools is what they call them. They just don't seem super intuitive to me. Um, but maybe after I get comfortable with them, it will make a lot more sense. So hopefully I can take care of that. Obviously, there was a lot of back end stuff that I had to do um, in the way that data was being stored, the way that the project communicates with itself. All of that, been having to do fixing bugs and all that. Um, when I come across a bug, I don't leave it. I just go try and figure it out, and that means that I didn't go do the thing that I was going to work on. But with the project at the size that it's at, usually a bug in one area kind of messes with the whole game because the game's just not big enough to have isolated bugs yet. But it is what it is. Um, so yeah, I'll probably just be fixing more bugs tomorrow as well. But that'll be all for now. So you all have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed.